Bhitarkanika. Bhitarkanika in Odisha is forest. It's a mangrove forest in the district of Kendrapada of Odisha, which is around 4 hours drive from the state capital Bhubaneswar. It's a wonderful place where you can have a boat ride, motorboat ride in the river and the creeks, where you can see lots of crocodiles, deers, wild boars, variety of birds, and very enjoyable boat ride. Bhitarkanika is at the confluence of two rivers, river Brahmani and Boitarini, and which ultimately leads to Bay of Bengal. I have been staying in this Bhitarkanika Jungle Resorts, which is a property of Sand and Pebbles Group, for the last 2 days, and I have really enjoyed the hospitality of this property. So today I'll take you a small walk around of the property Sand and Pebbles. This is a property of Sand and Pebbles Group, which they have named Bhitarkanika Jungle Resorts. So I checked in on 24th afternoon before lunch, and today 26th of February I'll check out after breakfast. So I have driven down from Kolkata. It's around 370 kilometers, and which should take around 7.5 hours drive. And from Bhubaneswar it is around 4 hours drive. So let me now enter into the property. Here it's a basic tent accommodation, but very comfortable and cozy. And the service out here is par excellence. You can see a gentleman cleaning the walkway, and always it is kept absolutely neat and clean. And they take care of you. They take care of all your needs. As I said, the accommodation is in tent, so you can see the tent. And you can see a placard here, a board here, so which shows that they are taking care of all COVID-19 protocol. Yes, sanitization is well taken care of. So they have 14 tent accommodation, all triple bedded tents. 4 people can comfortably stay in each tent. See, I think to have a good experience of mangrove forest of Bhitarkanika, I think at least 2 nights stay is mandatory. Otherwise you cannot experience the real flavor of Bhitarkanika. So here you can see the tent accommodations. Tents are, I will not say that you'll get hotel category of comfort, and which I think one should not expect if somebody is staying in a jungle tent. So camping is something, a different experience, and which I think everyone. This is the tent where I stayed, room number 101, and you can see the morning tea I had outside my tent, which I really enjoyed. So other than taking a boat ride to inside the jungle, you can also do a lot of activities inside the Sand and Pebbles campus. So they have a pond out here which you can see. Yesterday evening I did angling here, though I could not catch a single fish. That's because of my inexperience, but they give you a chance to experience angling also. They have hammocks where you can relax reading books. It is a very serene property. You can see ducks floating. You wake up in the morning with the calling of hens saying good morning to you. So Bhitarkanika, basically what you can see is crocodiles, deers, wild boars, monitor lizards, and I'll say that boat and variety of kingfishers. I never knew that there are 8 to 10 variety of different colors of kingfishers and variety of egrets and other birds. During the winter time, there are a lot of migratory birds coming here. That's, I think, winter is the best time to visit. And my advice once again is come for 2 nights at least. Though they have different packages, I had opted for 2 nights package. They have package of one night, they have package of 2 nights, and also they have a package of day excursion. So their package includes everything. You need to just book, and you don't need to worry about anything. They'll take care of all your needs, and you just enjoy your vacation. Starting from pickup, there are 2 options to reach this Sand and Pebbles resort. One, you can drive down up to their resorts. If you are coming from Odisha, Cuttack or Bhubaneswar, you can directly drive down to this place. If you are coming from Kolkata, it's better, instead of reaching the resort directly, you can come to a place called Jayanagar Jetty. Jayanagar Jetty is near, from Bhadrak it is 60 kilometers. So you save around 50-60 kilometers to come up to the resort. You can park your vehicle. They have a facility of parking in a dedicated parking space, and they will pick you up from the jetty, which saves around 60-65 kilometers of driving, which saves your fuel as well. So this is the place where they do evening bonfire and lot of activities. You can have your relax in the evening. Even you can have your dinner in this open air. Enjoy with your family and your friends. And this is their dining room. So I have my strong recommendations to all to come and visit Bhitarkanika. I can guarantee you'll enjoy, and I highly recommend Sand and Pebbles as your right place to stay on your visit to Bhitarkanika. Every staff of this property is excellent, and my special thanks to Pavitra Babu, who is the manager of this property. Pavitra Babu, thank you very much for your kind hospitality, and I once again recommend highly Sand and Pebbles during your stay in Bhitarkanika. Thank you so much.